Hello everyone, welcome back with Solidworks basic tutorial how to scale a part. Okay, for example, I have this part and then I will set a dimension into this part. You can click MBD dimensions. I will use size dimension tools and I will click in it, this circle, and also at this point. So in this circle we have diameter into 50, and for this circle we have diameter into 10. The next, I will recess this diameter or this object's part into twice, so it will be 20 and in here into 100. You can go to insert and go to feature. The next, you can click scale in here. Okay, we can use scale about centroid, so it will be scale in center of this 3D objects. The next, for uniform scales, I will set into 2 to scale twice these objects, and you can click OK. Now you can see the dimension will be changed into hundreds and in here will be changed into 20. To back into normal, we can scale again into half of or 0.5 points. You can go to insert and click features. The next, click scale, and for uniform scales we can set into 0.5. Next, you can click OK. So it will be back into normal with diameter 10 and diameter 50. Okay, enough today for Solidworks basic tutorial how to scale a part. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.